Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Science of Standard 6th. Here we are going to continue chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric, part 4. So, today we are going to continue notes part of chapter number 3. The question number is answer the following questions in one sentence each. Number 1. State the two main types of fibers. Answer. The two main types of fibers are natural fiber and the second one is synthetic fiber. So there are total two main types of fibers. Question number 2. Which plant fibers are used for making cloth? Now we are going to see the plant fiber that used to make cloth. So answer is jute and cotton fibers are plant fibers used for making cloth. Question number 3. Which animal fibers are used for making cloth? Now we need to see which animal fibers are used for making cloth. So answer is wool and silk fibers are animal fibers used for making cloth. Question number 4. What makes it difficult to pass a thread through the eye of a needle? This experiment we had done in explanation part. At the time of when you pass thread through the eye of a needle, at that time two strands separate from each other. So let's see the answer. The end of a yarn which we want to pass through the eye of a needle splits into thin strands called fibers, and hence it becomes difficult to pass the thread through the eye of a needle. जब हम लोग नीडल में से थ्रेड पास करने की ट्राई करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम वो जो यान रहता है वो क्या हो जाता है, स्प्लिट हो जाता है इनटू डिफरेंट थिन स्ट्रैंड्स. दैट इज़ वाई it difficult to pass the thread through the eye of a needle. Let's see question number 5. From which animals do we get wool? So we get wool from the fleece of sheep, camel, rabbit, goat and yak. Let's see question number 6. From where do we get silk fibers? Answer is we get silk fibers from the cocoon of a silk worm. Everyone knows that silk worm makes cocoon, and after the procedure we had done on cocoon, at that time we get silk. So from the cocoon of a silkworm we get silk. Question number 7. Give 3 examples of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber means the fiber which made from chemicals. So answer is nylon, polyester and acrylic are 3 examples of synthetic fibers. Question number 8. Where do we use cotton fibers? That means cotton fiber का use हम लोग कहाँ पे करते हैं? So answer is cotton fibers are used for making mattress, pillow and quilts. Let's see question number 9. What type of soil and climatic conditions are suitable for the cultivation of cotton plants? That means which type of soil and climatic condition needed for cotton plants. So answer is cotton plants are grown in black soil and warm climate. Question number 10. What is the fruit of cotton plant called? Answer. The fruit of cotton plant is called cotton balls. Let's see question number 11. How does a cotton field look that is ready for picking? Answer is the field looks like a field covered with snow when it is ready for पिकिंग, दैट मीन्स जब फील्ड में कॉटन मेच्योर हो जाता है एट दैट टाइम वो कैसे दिखता है, जैसे फील्ड पूरा कवर्ड है विथ स्नो. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. हाउ आर कॉटन फाइबर्स obtained from cotton balls? Answer is, when cotton balls mature, they burst open and cotton fibers are obtained from it. Let's see question number 13. In which parts of India is jute grown? So answer is, in India jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Question number 14. What do you mean by weaving? Answer, the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. So everyone knows that arranging two sets of yarn together matlab, we had seen earlier that horizontal and vertical yarns are arranged to make one fabric. This procedure is called weaving. Let's see next question. Question number 15. Which device is used for weaving fabric? So answer is, a loom is used for weaving fabrics. Question number 16. Name 4 clothes that we wear without stitching. Answer is, sari, dhoti, lungi and turban are 4 clothing items that we wear without stitching. Now let's see next question, that is explain giving scientific reasons. The statement number 1 is, use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of the independence movement. Answer is, before independence, India was ruled by the British. They imported synthetic cloth made in Britain's mills. Gandhiji encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn. Hence, he used charkha to make yarn from cotton fibers, which became very popular and played a major role in the Indian independence movement. Therefore, charkha became an important part of the independence movement. So, in this question, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है जब इंडिया में ब्रिटिशर्स का रूल था, ओके, एट दैट टाइम ब्रिटेन के मिल में से जो क्लोथ, सिंथेटिक क्लोथ होते थे वो क्या होते थे, इंपोर्ट किए जाते थे इंडिया में. सो गांधी जी ने लोगों को क्या किया, एंकरेज किया टू मेक होमस्पून यार्न्स. दैट मीन्स इंडिया के फाइबर यूज़ करके उसको फैब्रिक में टर्न करके यहाँ के क्लोथ को क्या करना, वेयर करना. हेंस ही यूज्ड एट दैट टाइम, गांधी जी ने क्या यूज़ किया था, चरखा यूज़ किया था टू मेक यार्न फ्रॉम कॉटन फाइबर्स. एट दैट टाइम वो बहुत क्या हुए थे, पॉपुलर हुए थे एंड इट बिकम अ मेजर रोल इन इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. दैट इज़ वाई महात्मा गांधी के वजह से पॉपुलराइज्ड हुआ था चरखा मेथड. लेट्स सी स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2. We should wear cotton clothes in summer. Now, cotton clothes क्यों पहनने चाहिए समर में? See the answer. We sweat due to excessive heat in summer. Cotton cloth easily absorbs all the sweat and hence keeps the body dry. Also, cotton cloth easily lets the air pass through. Therefore, we should wear cotton clothes in summer. Everyone knows that summer में sweat का जो proportion रहता है वो ज़्यादा रहता है comparatively rainy season and winter season. And cotton material की property क्या रहती है कि वो easily sweat को क्या कर सकता है, absorb कर सकता है and हमारे body को क्या रख सकता है, dry रख सकता है. That is why we should wear cotton clothes in summer. Let's move ahead. Give points of differences. Number 1, cotton fiber and jute fiber. So the first point is obtained from. That means वो कहाँ से obtained होता है. So cotton fiber is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. If we talk about jute fiber, then jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Our second point is procedure of fiber. Now cotton fiber procedure is, after maturing, the ball burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers are obtained. And the procedure of jute fiber is, the stem of the harvested plant is immersed in water for a few days, the stems rot and the fibers are separated by hand. So everyone knows that cotton fiber की प्रोसीजर क्या होती है. प्लांट मेच्योर होने के बाद जो बॉल बर्स्ट होते और ओपन हो जाते, एंड आफ्टर दैट उनके जो सीड का जो कवर रहता है, वो कवर किसका रहता है, कॉटन का. देन वहाँ से वो कॉटन क्या होता है, ऑब्टेन्ड होता है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट जूट, तो जूट का प्लांट ग्रो होने के टाइम पे, दैट मीन्स फ्लावरिंग स्टेज पे होने के टाइम पे उसको क्या किया जाता है, कल्टीवेट किया जाता है. एट दैट टाइम, आफ्टर दैट उसको पानी में इमर्स्ड किया जाता है फॉर अ फ्यू डेज. आफ्टर दैट जैसे उसके स्टेम्स रोट होना चालू हो जाते हैं, दैट मीन्स सड़ना चालू हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद उसका फाइबर में क्या करते हैं, कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. Our point number 3 is uses. So the uses of cotton fibers are for filling mattresses, quilts and pillow and making cotton cloth. Uses of jute fiber is, jute fiber is used for making gunny bags, carry bags, ropes, mats and doormats. Let's see second difference between, that is cotton fabric and wool fabric. First point is type of fabric. So it is a plant fabric. It is a plant fiber. Everyone knows that cotton we get from cotton balls which grown in fields. That means it is a plant fiber, and wool we get from animals, though, so that it is an animal fiber. Point number 2, obtained from. So cotton fiber is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant, and if we talk about wool fabric, then it is obtained from the fleece of camel, sheep, rabbit and goat. Point number 3, favorable seasons for used. Clothes made of cotton fibers are generally used in summers. Everyone knows that cotton कब ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, at the time of summer season. If we talk about wool, then clothes made of wool fiber are generally used in winters. Sweaters, socks mainly we used in winter season. Let's see difference number 3, spinning and weaving. So these are two methods that we had seen earlier. Let's see point number 1, process. Spinning is the process of making yarn from fibers. Spinning की process क्या होती है, yarn from, that means fibers से yarn बनाना. And what is the process of weaving? Weaving is the process of making cloth from yarn. Point number 2, devices used in these methods. If we talk about spinning, hand spindle and charkha are used. If we talk about weaving, then loom is used for weaving. Now we are going to start next question, that is answer the following questions in short. Question number 1, what do you mean by natural fibers? State its types with example. So first of all, what is natural fiber? Answer, fibers that are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. and there are two types of natural fiber. One is plant fibers, example cotton and jute. Second one is animal fibers, examples are wool and silk. Let's see question number 2. From where do we obtain cotton, jute, silk and wool fibers? Let's see the answer. Cotton fibers are obtained from the fruits, that means cotton balls, of cotton plant. That everyone knows cotton कहाँ से मिलता है, cotton balls से, and it is of cotton plant. If we talk about jute, then jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat, yak and camel. Because wool and silk, they both are animal products. Cotton and jute, they both are plant products. Let's see question number 3. How do we obtain cotton fibers? Answer. Cotton plant is grown in fields. The fruits of cotton plant are green in color and are called cotton balls. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers appear. From these cotton balls, cotton is picked by hands. सो इन दिस आंसर, सबसे पहले फील्ड में कॉटन प्लांट को क्या करते, ग्रो करते हैं, एंड वो कॉटन प्लांट का जो फ्रूट रहता है वो कौन से कलर का रहता है, ग्रीन कलर का. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कॉटन बॉल्स. आफ्टर मेच्योरिंग, दैट मीन्स प्रॉपर ग्रो होने के बाद वो बॉल क्या हो जाते हैं, बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं, और वो जो सीड रहता है वो फुल कवर हो जाता है विथ कॉटन फाइबर्स.